So after crashing my scope, there is a scope. After crashing it, I spoke with the seller and I ordered for this screen. So I'm coming to place the screen in it. Then I'll call it a fix. So this is how the scope is. Let me open it. So with this one, what I'll do is I'm about to fix the screen. So just let me lift these things up. Let me just pull it. So you can pull it. The way the screen got damaged, so it affected a lot of parts and components. So you can just push it in like this, then it will come out. So I've already disconnected the pins, and they gave me another screws from this bag. So what I'll do is let me pull them here. So then I'm going to fix these new buttons. Although I have the old buttons, I'm going to fix the new one that came with the screen. So okay, let me leave it this way. Let me check the lockers. Okay, so I'm done with the lockers. So what I have to do is to fix the screen and fix all these things, but there's one problem with it. So this is the whole board of the screen of the device, and this is the whole scope. You can see the relay that switches. So before I do anything else, I have to make sure I'm able to disconnect. So you have to separate this so that the screen will lie in this. So the screen will lie in this like this. Then I'll fix it like this on it. So it has to be this orientation. But before that, I have to fix this thing here and lock. Then after locking it, I turn it like this. So before I turn it for it to lock, let me fix my buttons first. Then after it ends on, before I can, okay, the button sits in it. So now let me just hope it clicks. I hope the device is not dead. So let me fix my screen in, and my screen is in perfectly, and everything is in. So the next thing I'll do is to place these buttons in. Before I put the cover on it, then I have to go and search for double-sided tape to allow my screen to sit perfectly on. So all my buttons are in, and these are the new ones that came with it too. So let me just, before I even screw it, the face will be the last thing that I will stick. Let me pour my other ones here and test my screen. Let me test my screen first. So let me plug in the battery. Moment of truth. Let me plug in the battery and turn the device on. Yes, so now everything is on. Before I fix it, let me turn the device on. Yeah, voila, it is working. Everything is working perfectly. The screen is working perfectly. So now let me turn the screen off. let me fix everything that I need to fix. Let me make sure my lockers are locking perfectly. Yeah, so this is what I like about these people. When you are buying anything, you have to buy from the correct source so that when there is any technical issue, because I bought this too and it got damaged. So I bought this too and it got damaged. Instead of them to help me, when I did the diagnosis, it was from the screen. The screen is faulty because when you press power up and down, it works. Instead of them to support me or give me the screen, they are telling me the manufacturer doesn't supply the screen. But with this one, that my screen was damaged, I was able to get the supplier to send me the screen so that I can fix my device after my diagnosis. I did some vehicle diagnosis, and what happened was my screen got damaged because I forgot about it, and the whole issue was I left it at the door side during the diagnosing process. I left it at the door side. So when I was done with the diagnosing, that's when I realized that hey, I've left my machine there. At that time also, I've already closed the door and my machine was gone. My machine was dead. So I need only 4 screws, but the people sent me I need only 4 screws, but I think they sent me 5 screws. So I have to find a double-sided tape so that when I close it, it should be able to close perfectly. Let me do this side. Let me check my charging port. These are the right side, and my power off and on. And let me tighten the last screw, then I'll turn it on again and make sure everything is perfect. So when you are removing it, you have to force remove the screen. So let me just push this things back, the button back. So now instead of I have to go and use, so my device is going to be a bit new because now the button that when I press it change color. Let me fix my screen in here perfectly. Yeah, so now what I'll do is I have to check all these things and use a double-sided tape to retape it. I thank God the screen didn't go broken because it's plastic, but when it got to the screen it got it broken. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And now I'm going to flash it also because the current is not working, so I have to flash it. So I'll do that also. And I have another one, so I bought another one from them. Mine was customized, so during the update process, instead of me to tell them, I didn't tell them, and I did a straight update and it affected the current. So the reason why I bought this multimeter is it also measures current. So this is the new one that I bought, and with this one it's able to measure the current. This one is not able to measure the current, so I'll find for the file and I'll flash it with it, and I'll see if it will be able to measure the current. So with this one, if you want to measure the current, you just go to menu, no sorry, yeah, long press menu, then you select inventory, history, or I don't know why they did it, I history. So this is current. So at this point, anything I measure, I'll be able to get the current that I need. Let me test my test lights. Where are you? Okay, let me find a load that I can test on this thing. Let me find my load. Yeah, I've seen my load. So let me connect it. I'll do the same connection to the other side, and you see that it is not going to work. But this one, it should work perfectly. Yes, you see this zero line should change. If that go down, you can see the zero line is up. So that tells me that my this one is working. So let me do the test on this one. So this one, let me switch it to okay, then let me do my current testing. Yeah, you can see it is working, but there is no graph. There is no graph showing. The graph is not showing, but when I move it on this, the graph will show up. You can see the graph shows up. So I'll do the update. So I have the firmware for this, and I'll do the update so that I'll be able to ask them to customize it for me. So that means I'll do the updates and retry it. If it works, then I'm good to go. I don't know if this one I should even remove the yeah, let me remove it. So I'm going to remove, let me turn it off, remove the screen protector. Then use my double-sided tape to work it out. I call it a fix. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.